The HP Envy X2 is an incredibly thin Windows 10 tablet with a classy design that's equally as impressive. If Qualcomm's Snapdragon 835 chipset proves to be as good as it promised, this could well be the best slate of next year. Measuring in at an incredibly thin 6.9mm and weighing just 1.54 pounds, the Envy X2 is actually lighter than the iPad Pro. Not only will that put less stress on your back and shoulders as you carry it around, you'll get a bigger 12.3-inch display with a Watskin 1920 by 1280 resolution display to boot. If you're concerned about the keyboard, it's as tactile anything you'll find on bona fide laptop thanks to it offering 1.3mm of key travel. The HP Envy X2 also has one of the best designed keyboard folios we've seen on a 2-inch-1 tablet. Of course, the other headlining feature of this tablet is the fact that it's powered by a Snapdragon 835 processor, the very same chip that has powered some of 2017's top smartphones like the Samsung Galaxy S8. The HP Envy X2 is otherwise as well spec'd as any Intel-powered Windows machine with up to 8GB of RAM and a 256GB SSD. The HP Envy X2 is an eye-catching device all on its own with a sharply designed and ultra-premium body. Factor in the incredible battery life and potential affordability Qualcomm's Snapdragon processor brings, going off how affordable the Asus Nova Go is at least, and we could see a big shakeup for laptops in 2018.